Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about revision cloud and spline. In the command line below circle there is a command called revision cloud which creates a revision cloud drawing a free form polyline. Just I am clicking this one command and then it will ask you to specify the first point. Just you can specify the first point and then drag like this. It will be creating the revision cloud. You have to hold on the mouse left key and then you have to just drawing how you draw in your freehand. It looks like a freehand sketch. So in that way you have to draw if you are not giving the dimensions. Now I'm deleting this. Again I'm going to click this option and then now I'm going to give the arc length. Okay, so for that you have to click on this arc length. It will ask you to specify the minimum length of arc. I'm giving minimum length of arc as 30 feet. Give enter and then it will ask you to specify the maximum length of arc. I'm giving 60 feet and then it will ask you to specify the first point. If you draw the cloud, it will be like this. So the dimension, it is depending upon your drawing, your unit setup and all. So according to that, you can give the dimension. Only thing is, while giving the dimension, the maximum dimension should not be more than 3 times the minimum dimension. I'll show you that. Just I'm going to select this arc length. It will ask you to specify the minimum length of arc. I'm giving 30 feet as I gave before and then enter. See here, instead of 60 feet I'm going to give 100 feet. Okay, see here it is showing the warning maximum arc length cannot exceed 3 times the minimum arc length. That means if 30 is your minimum length, it should not exceed 90 feet. Okay, so I gave 100 feet. That is why it is showing the message like this. Now I'm going to give the maximum length of arc as 75 feet and then just it will ask you to specify the first point. You can just draw the cloud like this. Okay, now I'm erasing this. You may ask where this command will be useful and where we will use this revision cloud command. It will be useful when you review some of the drawing, either architectural drawing or structural drawing. If you would like to highlight some of the area, you can just cloud it and show. For the discussion and all, it will be very helpful because you can cloud the specific object or specific drawing or specific area and then you can highlight that one in the discussion. Now I'll show you how we can convert the rectangle into the revision cloud. Just draw the rectangle like this and then select this revision cloud command. After that just give enter or space bar and then just select this rectangle and it will ask you to reverse direction. If you want to reverse the direction, give S and then it will give you the direction like this. If you don't want to do that, you can just give no. Again I'm selecting this command, just enter or space bar, select this one and then give no. So this is the reversed direction, this is normal direction. So in this way you can use the revision cloud command. Next let's discuss about the command spline. In the command line below revision cloud, the spline command is there. If you just click on this, it creates a smooth curve that passes through or near specified points. Just click on the spline command. It will ask you to specify the first point. In our case, ortho mode is on. You can switch off the ortho mode over here. Switch it off and then now you can see the difference. We can draw the curved lines like this by using the spline command. If you go to this draw tool and here under spline we have two types. One is fit point, next one is control vertices. Let me show you what is fit point and control vertices. Just click on that fit point and then you can draw the spline command as we did before, that is using fit points. Like this you can make the curves and then click enter. If you click on this spline curve, you can see the knots everywhere. If you wanted to change this curve, just you can click on this knot and then stretch like this. Everywhere, wherever you want, you can click like this and then stretch like this. Next, let's draw the spline using control vertices. See here, it is coming in this way, like vertices are there. Give enter. So by using control vertices, you can draw the spline curves like this. If you click on this, now you can change this curve by using this vertices. See, I am changing this one by using this vertices. This is the difference between spline fit and control vertices. In spline fit, you can use the knots to change these curved lines. In vertices you have, in control vertices you have vertices to change the curves. This way you can use the spline command to draw the curved lines. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.